Rainstorms can wreak havoc on traditional gutters, leading to clogs and costly water damage. With Byers LeafGuard, you get a system designed to handle the toughest weather effortlessly. LeafGuard gutters are engineered with a patented hood that uses liquid adhesion. Here's how it works. Rainwater clings to the curved surface, flowing smoothly into the gutter, while leaves, pine needles, and debris are deflected away. Traditional gutters can clog, leading to overflowing water that damages foundations, walls, and landscaping. LeafGuard's seamless design eliminates these risks by ensuring water flows exactly where it should, away from your home. LeafGuard is crafted from heavy-duty aluminum, making it tough enough to handle extreme weather. It's built to resist rust, leaks, and damage, giving you peace of mind year-round. Best of all, LeafGuard is completely maintenance-free. Say goodbye to the dangerous chore of cleaning your gutters and hello to more time doing what you love. Protect your home with the only gutter system guaranteed never to clog. Call us to schedule your free estimate and experience the difference with Byers LeafGuard.